more one.
No, Xander. Put all the same kinds together.
I guess they need to make a
Look,
size.
this guy, this big guy is the same as these big guys. Put him in here. Good job. Where does this one go?
And there.
Nope, he goes with these guys. Good job.
Where does that little one go? It goes right here.
You think so? Is he the same color?
Yeah.
Is he the same color?
No.
Maybe he needs maybe he needs his own home.
Yeah. Maybe that goes there.
There you go.
Look, these guys go there. Big guy. Oh, well.
Who goes there?
I don't know. Where's the other big ones? That goes there, there. That goes there, there. That goes there. That goes there. I get it, Mom.
Look at this one. Xander, look at this one.
That goes there with other big
Is he the
ones.
same?
Yeah. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is he look, put him on top. Is he the same size?
Yeah.
Or is he smaller?
He's small.
Oh, maybe he should go here by himself.
Is this a big?
Put him here. There you go.
No. Where did this guy go?
That is so interesting.
Does that go there?
This is so interesting. I thought I have 3 right here.
I'm missing something, Mom.
What are you
Mom,
missing?
This is so strange.
Just a minute, Sophie. I'll help you
This
miss.
is strange. Hey, Mom, it doesn't fit.
Put him down here.
That's a gun.
Good job. You making? You make a gun?
Yeah.
Keep going.